To check added fingerprints in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen and then tap biometrics and security. Select fingerprints. Enter your current PIN, password, or draw your pattern if requested. Tap check add fingerprints. Check add fingerprints. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor to check whether your fingerprint was added. Rectum. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.